Gas prices are hitting the roof, and everyone is looking for a magic fix to save a few bucks at the pump. It is that desperation that makes a product like the Syngas fuel-saving chips so incredibly tempting. You see the ads, and they promise to transform your engine into a high-efficiency machine with just a simple plug-in device. They use these massive, impressive words like energy conversion optimization or eco-friendly performance enhancement. It sounds like something straight out of a high-tech laboratory. But when you peel back that shiny layer of marketing, things start to get a little bit weird. I spent a lot of time looking at what actual drivers are saying, and the results are all over the map. Some people swear their car is idling smoother and they are getting better mileage. Then you have another group of people who say it did absolutely nothing at all. That kind of massive inconsistency is a giant red flag. If a piece of technology actually works, the results should be measurable and consistent across the board. Instead, we are left with a pile of testimonials that feel more like stories than actual science. I tried to find any sort of independent lab study or hard data to back these claims up. I came up completely empty-handed. You are basically being asked to hand over your hard-earned cash based on a pinky promise from a company using unverifiable graphs and cherry-picked numbers. It is frustrating because these sellers often take data out of context to make their product look like a breakthrough. There is also a huge psychological factor at play here that we cannot ignore. When you install a gadget that is supposed to save you fuel, you subconsciously start driving more carefully. You might accelerate slower or brake earlier because you want the device to work. That change in your behavior is what actually saves the gas, not the plastic chip under your hood. It is a classic case of the placebo effect taking credit for your own good driving habits. We want to believe in a shortcut, so we create the result ourselves without even realizing it. Then there is the installation side of things. It is sold as a simple plug-and-play solution, but plenty of users ended up confused or uncertain about the setup. If you do not get the wiring or the placement exactly right, the thing is totally useless. Even the environmental claims feel hollow. They talk about reducing emissions to appeal to our eco-conscious side. But without independent testing, those are just empty words meant to make you feel good about the purchase. You're essentially paying for a warm, fuzzy feeling rather than a cleaner planet. If you really want to see your fuel gauge stay higher for longer, the boring stuff is what actually works. Check your tire pressure every single month. Get your car serviced on time and change those filters. Clean out the heavy junk sitting in your trunk that weighs the vehicle down. These methods are proven by decades of engineering. They do not require a mysterious chip or a leap of faith. This specific fuel saver might not be a total scam in the legal sense, but it definitely feels like a gamble. You are betting your money on hope instead of proven performance. For most people, that is a bet that just will not pay off. Stick to what we know works and keep your money in your wallet where it belongs, because chasing a miracle chip is usually a dead end. Every dollar you spend on a gadget that does not work is a dollar that could have gone toward actual fuel. We see these products cycle through the market every few years with a new name and the same old promises. They rely on the fact that we are all tired of paying too much at the station. It is a clever marketing trap. Do not let the flashy buzzwords distract you from the lack of evidence. Real fuel efficiency comes from maintenance and physics, not a small piece of plastic with a few blinking lights. Be smart and stay skeptical, because your car deserves better than a guesswork gadget.